Happy Friday and welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I have two job leads in this video. I grouped them together because both the job leads are from banks. So if you have experience working as a teller or you want to work from home for a bank or you want to get into the financial field, this might be for you. We're going to dive all in, not to waste your time on a Friday. Just know that the links to both of these job leads, if you're interested in applying, are linked in the YouTube description box below this video. First up, we have US Bank. They are hiring a customer service fraud liaison specialist. This is remote for the United States. So this is going to be a customer service position. They're looking for somebody to process and respond to the US Bank customer inquiries using multiple computer systems to provide information on accounts while answering every call with professionalism and accuracy. You're going to help the customers with all of their financial needs and help present options to customers to make their banking easier and convenient while ensuring their needs are always coming first. They are not required any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They want somebody who has 18 months of customer service experience, somebody who can be a problem solver, someone who has great time management skills, and someone who is proficient at navigating different computer systems like Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, all of those things. As far as pay for this position goes, the pay ranges anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $24.96 an hour. And they do offer standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. And next up is still in the customer service gang, but PNC Bank is hiring a remote customer service representative for the United States. They are looking for somebody specifically to work mountain or specific time zones. But you'll basically perform customer service activities and initiate a broad range of product services and problem resolutions across multiple channels. You'll receive, investigate, and respond to customer inquiries regarding PNC's products, services, and answer any questions that they have. Of course, you're going to document those customer interactions in the computer. Now, they are looking for somebody who can have great attention to detail, who has critical thinking and decision-making skills, those problem-solving skills, someone who is tech savvy, and someone who can stay customer focused. Now, for under education, they don't list that they require any kind of degree. Unfortunately, PNC did not list their pay scale. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Let me know down below in the comments if you like bank or finance positions, or if not, let me know down in the comments exactly what you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.